Hello everyone, welcome to day 18 of Batman strategy with weekly adjustments. Uh, Today the market had been pretty much in a range bound, slightly showing some sorts of bearishness, but there has not been much of a significant move on either side. So let's quickly take a stock of what happened to our position and what sort of adjustments that we need to do as we are, moving further deeper into July. There are certain decisions that we got to make. Let's go in and then analyze what sort of adjustments would be more suitable at this juncture. So let's get started. Here we are in Obstra. This is the position. I'm going to refresh it once again to show. So here we are in Obstra. These are our base strategy, and this is with edges. Base strategy stands at 1600 rupees loss, and weekly edges stands at close to 11,500 rupees. And there has not been much of a change in terms of the loss. Probably this was around 2000 rupees. It has come down by around 400 rupees. This was about close to 11k, and then it has increased by about 500 rupees or so, if I remember correctly. So that's not much of a significance, but what we got to do is to check how our position looks like in terms of the payoff graph. So this is the payoff graph for uh, the Batman base strategy. And currently, if we look at some of the things that we have to do is today was an expiry. So we got to close some of the edges and then take fresh edges. Since this is a base strategy, there are no edge legs into this. These are direct positions, so we will not be touching anything here. However, if there are certain adjustments to be done, then I would like to use this time over now. One of the things that I am a bit skeptical is whenever there is a small downside move, there is a significant upside in the next couple of days. That may not be the scenario tomorrow, that is 5th of July. It may not react that way. Still, let's say that the market continues to rally and then it hits 24,500. That is one assumption that I would like to keep. In this, I wanted to see which leg is pointless to hold and then close that leg, because as we are closing in towards our month-end contracts expiry, the premiums of OTM puts are nowhere. It's nothing, like hardly under 50 rupees it is. So let's check those legs and then close them off. One point of interest is that I would like to check. Let's sort it by open versus closed. So all these legs are closed. Now this leg 23,000 PE, I wanted to check how much it is trading at. 23,200, 23,800. These are deep OTMs. So definitely I would like to check what are the price at which 23,000 and 23,200 is trading, and then we will take a decision. First, let's go and check option chain. 23,000 is trading at 24 rupees. So obviously 24 rupees, waiting for additional 20 days, 20 plus days doesn't make any sense. 23,200 is at 30 rupees. So both these legs are pointless. I don't want to really waste my capital into this. So I wanted to free up the cash. So what I am going to do right now is to close. One was at let's check the price once again because we cannot update later. This is 31 I will take, and this is 24. So 31 and 24. Let's do that right away. This one leg I am closing at 24. We sold at 120, but exiting this at, exit at 24. Modify. This one we are going to exit at 31. Let's say 32, no problem. So what we have closed, 3 legs we have closed. Here 1 lot and here 2 lots. So 3 lots we have closed of the put options. Now if you look at it, it is looking very dangerous, right? But at the same time, I would like to take that risk because the market is, even if the market is coming down, premiums of the puts are not increasing. Rather, in case of black swan event, I will be taking a big edge to protect my capital. So that's what I would be doing. Now, what can be done right away? Let's check that. If I look at this, around 900 is trading at 115 rupees. This one I'm going to sell 1 lot. So, okay, 2 lots I can sell. Okay. So this I am selling 2 lots, and 150 rupees. No, 150 is 2450. Let's go and take 138. This one I am selling 1 lot. Okay. So 3 lots closed and 3 lots freshly added. Let's check the payoff. Now, if you look at it, we got further more range extension till almost 24 780. Let's round it off to 24 800. So till there we got some coverage, right? Now this is the adjustments that I wanted to do. Why I did this? It's because there are many different types of adjustments. If I am assuming that I have equal number of money left in my account, say I have additional 3 lakhs, then I will be doing a different strategy for adjustments. This is considering most people with limited capital, unexpectedly the market has been continuously rallying. In that case, we cannot be finding fresh funds coming in, right? So keeping that into consideration, I am making these adjustments. Okay, this is not the most idealistic adjustments, because if there is a sudden fall, we will be losing. We will be losing in the sense we can still manage, but then how big is the fall? That's the question, right? So assuming that we have only limited capital, probably some more cash is left, maybe 1 lakh or so. That is my assumption. Okay, with that logic, I am doing this. Now, if I go and check, our capital requirement remains the same, because it was 4,67,000 if you remember last time. Now it is 4,69,000. So hardly some 2,000 rupees of additional loss we are incurring in case if there is a black swan event. That's what it says. So let's not dwell too much into how much loss it is going to be, because it will not give you a real picture. As long as we don't add the edges into this, it will not tell you exactly how much we stand to lose. So let's park that thought aside. This is the adjustment done for the day. I'm going to save this now. Right, this is saved. Let's go to the main position, weekly edges position now. And I'm going to do the same thing. What we have done is we are going to sort this out and then go to 23K put. Where is 23K put? Here we are. Yeah, 23K put. This one we are exiting at 24 rupees. If you remember, 1 lot we exited. And here I'm going to exit 2 lots of this at 32 rupees, right? So this is also done. Now what I have to do is to add fresh positions of 130 rupees and 115 rupees and 138 rupees. This one 23,900. I have added two lots of it. Add, and this one we are going to add one lot of it. So I will come to the edges bit later. First, let's save this and check if we have done it correctly. So this is saved. I'm going to the original position just to see if we have done the same thing correctly. So 23,900, two lots we have sold at 115. One lot of 24,000 we sold at 138. So this remains true, right? And let's see the edges part now. Okay, since there is a lot of edge got closed today due to the expiry, we have to find in new edges for next week. So that's what we are going to do now. I'm going to analyze this trade. So the payoff will not make any sense because a lot of positions are closed. So I'm going to just segregate this. Now let's go to this. What I need to keep in mind is this one is 4th of July. All of it is going to expire worthless, right? So these things are going to expire worthless. 0.05. 4 lots be closed of call. Then 0.05. 2 lots of put. This is again 0.05. So 6 lots of calls we have closed so far. Let's see if there are any other legs. A lot. So this again would have expired worthless. Let's close it all first. This again would have expired worthless. This again would have expired worthless. Now this again gone, worthless. This also is gone, 0.05. So here it may look like, I am closing and then freshly taking another edges. But then remember, every time you have to remember this is all going to be a basket order. What are all the things that's going to be basket order? First thing is closing of edges and buying fresh edges will be a basket order. You execute that trade first. Then what you do is the put leg that I wanted to close will be added into the basket, and the fresh put that I wanted to write, that will also be added to the basket, and then execute the basket both at the same time, right? You cannot execute edges later. There will be a margin shortfall. So be careful. The sequence is first you close the edges by switching it to the next week. Then you close the writing positions and then you do the fresh writings of puts. So that's how this has to be done. Now, many legs are closed, and then how do we keep track of things? How many fresh legs to be taken? Don't worry about it at all. First, what we need to do is we have to save this strategy. And right now, what I am more interested to see is the payoff of base strategy that I wanted to check. This is how the base strategies payoff looks like. So where is the coverage? We have 23,600 and 24,800. That's the coverage, right? Now all I need to do is 23,600 and 24,800. And how many call legs and put legs are there that we already know, but still let's do a quick stock. I think 6 lots of call and 7 lots of put, if I remember correctly. But then let's do a quick math. So these are the open positions. If you look at it, let me just keep it over here. Okay, so that it is visible. These are buying legs. Let's forget it and let's go and check from here. So 2 lots of call, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 lots of calls that we have. And how many lots of put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our analysis of how many puts and how many calls is correct. 6 calls and 7 puts, right? Straight away, let's go and buy that. Don't bother about the price, because at this juncture, you shouldn't be worried about whether it is trading at 8 rupees or 18 rupees. All you got to do is, we have already deployed a lot of capital, right? And our position is not seeing any profits. So first things first, buy the edges, whatever be the price, where the ranges are at 23,600 and 24,800. So let's do that. I'm going to take option chain. $23,600. Oh, when, which month, which one? 11th option chain. 23,600 is at lucky. It's at 8 rupees. So what I wanted to do is, I wanted to buy 7 lots of it. Okay, this is to ensure that any black swan event, our loss is limited. So that is the reason why we are adding this. 9 rupees. Very good. Now 24,800. Let's go. 10 rupees. Brilliant. So don't have to worry. We have 6, right? So this is also done. Now, the payoff wouldn't make any sense. Just save the strategy. Now, people who are extremely worried about black swan event can go ahead and then buy more number of puts and more number of calls. Any side, if you are expecting some another 800 points of move and you just are not prepared for it, it's okay if my profits come down a bit, but then I don't want to compromise on the capital risk, then buy more edges. Only thing is that if it is trading within the range, we will be making more losses in the edges. That's why base strategy is having only 1,600 rupees loss, but the weekly edges strategy is at 11,500. That's mainly because we have taken week on week bigger edges, and then it is losing every time, right? So no problem. It's absolutely your choice. And best thing is that, let's say you have taken additional. I used to take additional. First of all, let me tell what I do. I used to take these positions, and suddenly there is uh, if there is a sudden fall of around say 200 points in Nifty, and put premiums have appreciated so much, but then it has come to a support zone, and I expect the market to reverse from that point. Now I will not have to worry about anything. I'll simply go and write one more deep OTM of about 120 rupees or so. If it recovers, suddenly that 100 rupees will become say 50 rupees. So I book that profit. Intraday basis, I keep covering all my edges losses. That's how I do it. But then it becomes too much of adjustment, and then it will confuse you off. That's the reason why I'm simply adding the edges and letting it run in losses. And usually what I do is, whatever my weekly edges, whatever is the loss, I try to cover that in intraday basis. when the market has taken a very serious turn and reached certain support or resistance levels, then I do some additional writing and make some $50 or something like that, or 40, whatsoever is available for the day. I will pick that up and it will cover my weekly edges cost. So this is only for people who have hands-on experience with edges. Writing. They can understand what I am trying to say. For beginners, please ignore whatever I have said in last 2 minutes. This is the adjustment for the day, and I hope it was useful. So I will keep posting more updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Catch you all with more updates tomorrow.